Hey guys, what's up? Today I'm starting the winter prep for the Shortcar. Today I'm going to rip out all of the electronics, wires and old stuff. My Shortcar is pretty beat up. It's been rallycrossing quite a bit. Nobody's been doing anything about the frames or the paint job. You know, it's pretty rough. Maintenance has been lacking like all over the place. All of this old wiring crap, you know, it's going out. I'm replacing it with new Motec stuff. You know, this old gear shift linkage is coming off. This is just basically wire, you know, you can see here shifting between the gears. This is just a stock Yamaha R1 motorcycle engine. Sequential gearbox, stock from Yamaha. Finally out. One of the reasons I have to change it out also is because I'm changing the ECU. I'm adding like a power distribution unit from Motec. This looks like crap. There's nothing left of like old crappy wire harness stuff. It's just ready to, you know, put on the new electronics from Motec to make a new wire harness and to make everything look super nice. I'm gonna show you what I actually bought. I'm cooperating with Polly Motorsport. They're a dealer for Motec and they gave me such a good deal on all of the stuff. Let me just give you a quick look. First off, we got the canvas keypad, 15 buttons, but it's only got 4 connectors. You know, got these cool pads. Come in these awesome small packages to protect them and to transport them. And got some horsepower stickers. This is the PDM. It's basically just a programmable fuse box, relay box. It's pretty awesome, this thing. You can log, you know, all of the components, how much current they're using. You can program anything to, you know, shut down if you don't need it. Next up, check it out, some more horsepower stickers. Got the Motec C125 Dashlogger. Once again, I got a great deal on all of this tech from Polly Motorsport. This bad boy is gonna help me, you know, to check my lap times, my sector times. It's gonna show me if I have any warnings on the engine. We even have the shift light. Pretty cool. Motec 150, kind of overkill for this engine, but in the future I want to expand the package. I want to add damper sensors. I want to add infrared cameras on tires to check tire temperature, to check the tire pressure when I'm driving, see if the setup is correct. So that's why I went for the 150, because you can never get enough outputs and inputs. Additional kit, super smooth cables. I'm really excited to see how this looks. This is the ECU loom itself. It's a bunch of wires. I'm not even going to use half of it. Horsepower stickers. And then we got the thing I'm looking most forward to try. What is this? Well, this is a compressor. And why do I want the compressor in this tiny little race car? Well, let me show you guys. First off, to fill up this tank. And why do I want to fill this tank? Because of the paddle shifters. When I press this upshift or downshift, this actuator right here will perform the gear shifts lightning quick for me. So whenever I downshift, the ECU will know how much revs I'm gonna have in the next gear, so it's gonna automatically give me a rev match. It will be smooth. All the stuff that Polly Motorsport provided, I'm so happy they gave me a good deal on this, and I'm super excited to test it out in this car. So that's it for today. Hope you liked the video. It would be awesome if you would subscribe, you know, so you can check out the videos coming later.